This method of solubilizing recombinant spider silks produces material forms that are not possible using traditional harsh organic solvents. Further, the process is green, resulting in a simple protein solution in water. By utilizing this method, the materials formed or produced maintain the desirable characteristics of spider silk proteins. This solubilization technique for recombinant spider silks allows for the solubilization of recombinant spider silks in a one-step process. This is desirable because these notoriously difficult to produce proteins aren't lost through extensive processing. Further, since the solutions are just protein and water, other biologically active compounds can be added if that's desirable for the application.
Particularly the protein structure-function relationship. This system is mimetic to how a spider makes a fiber in that it utilizes water and proteins at a high concentration. By using the solubilization method and the subsequent material formation, it should be possible to gain understanding into the materials that are formed and the structures that are responsible for them. It is thought that it can be. We've used this technique for solubilizing synthetic peptides that otherwise would require an alkaline or acidic environment to solvate. That can be advantageous in downstream applications for those peptides. Furthermore, a number of known proteins, when expressed synthetically, tend to end up in the insoluble fraction. Resolubilizing and then refolding these proteins is often a laborious process that results in large losses. By utilizing this technique, it might be possible to increase the efficiency of recovery processes for insoluble proteins.
Placing a sealed vial in a microwave is a bit daunting, given the risk of overheating and thus overpressurizing the vial. Understanding the staged approach to applying heat and pressure is critical. Second, for the recombinant spider silk in particular, having salt present will not allow the technique to work as effectively depending on how much salt is present. Salt removal is key. Be patient and careful. Closely monitor your microwave temperature.